Shab done, and I did the take, shot the one done.
Yeah, Shadi Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, well, go on. I hope everybody alright. You see me? You don't know a thing we kinda say we are change it up a little for the video here. And I show you some visuals and all these things. You see me? So the topic we want to talk about today is Vybz Kartel. And we just have to talk about the artist I am, man. Cause I feel say Vybz Kartel are the baddest artists across any genre. And you can argue with me in the comment section, but that's how me feel. You see me? So, like, the baddest artist in a rock, I feel say Kartel better than the artist there. The baddest artist in a soca, I feel say Kartel better than the artist there. You see me? The baddest artist in a one weird genre country, I feel say Kartel better than the artist there. Like, overall in a world, a Kartel are the baddest artist. That's my opinion. You see me? I don't know what you think, you know, but that's my opinion. And me I go tell you now why I feel say Vybz Kartel are the baddest artists ever. Watch your style, you know. Vybz Kartel, they are jail for almost a decade, you know, people. If you not check, you know, reach a decade yet, which we expect Vybz Kartel to come out of jail by it for reach a decade, but almost a decade now. And Vybz Kartel in the music for almost 2 decades now, or we can say 2 decades now. As him getting big break, you know, like O2 him forward on the scene like in a 2000, and him start the music professionally, like start link with Killer them from in about 98. You see me? So him been around the block a couple times. And each time music around left Vybz Kartel run with it. And more to understand when me say so. Zin? So between 98 and 9, make we say Vybz Kartel, they kind of bring one new flair to dancehall in 98 there, so in 2000, yeah, in 02 them a bring one new thing. In 2006 and 2000 got to about 2008 somewhere there, so dancehall did that change when Stevie them start make some bad rhythm and the sound of dancehall also start change. And then it switch up again in the mid, like between 2015 somewhere there, so it switch up again. Now we in 2018 and it switch up again. And each time dancehall switch, no care what beat it switch to, Vybz Kartel still dead. Vybz Kartel still a reinvent. Vybz Kartel never necessarily a try sound like the younger generation. Him still have him sound, but him just a adapt what them a do for him style, for him everything no steal out. I mean I say, yo, John Star, that youth are just talented. I mean, more wanna look upon something, Zin. The same Toyota Corolla where it build, like the Toyota Corolla in a 1990, you know, so them they are the flatty. Then change it to a police shape. Then change it to a 110. They bling them and it go on and on and on. It's just like how every year them carry a change, just so Vybz Kartel a change his style. But him still a it. Yo, John Star. And me no want to look like say, yo, me just a talk about a particular artist. But when a particular artist forget them praise, when a particular artist forget them fame and everything, we have to give it to them. Alright, watch that style. How much song Vybz Kartel drop since here? No, how much song Vybz Kartel drop since here? Vybz Kartel drop, yo, in the middle of the year, Vybz Kartel they drop about 30 song already. You see me? Alright, me I go up on Kartel page right now. Vybz Kartel. So, me dep on Vybz Kartel official Viva page now. And we just look on some of Vybz Kartel work. So, you have Come Home. You have Daddy Where You There. You have Paco Wine. You have Undisputed. You have Any Weather. You have Kartel and Lola Smiles. You see me? Are the right size. Are this year that song they drop? You have Cartel and Chronic Law, Can't Kill We. You have Fully Gaza, Tip, Vibes Cartel, that up on bad TG Rhythm. You have Cartel and Spice, Stone Back Way. You have Sexibility. You have Afrobeat and Vibes Cartel, that song they produced by Dre Skull, Shape Nice. You have, this are the official music video for Cartel and Spice, Stone Back Way. Yo, Amount Bombard. You have Gaza Stand Strong. You have Loving Every Minute. You have Can't Trust. You have Deary. You have One. You have June Them. You have Pretty From Mardy. You have Superhero. You have Vibes Cartel and Lisa Hype. You have Great. Yo, and then right now Vibes Cartel release about 3 songs. Him release Interview. Him release a Shop Dance song. How which else song him release? Never remember. Shop Down song, Interview. I think I 3 of them, you know. But make we say a 2. Yo, John Star, remember say 3 days ago Vibes Cartel drop the song for J Crazy there, you know. Long live Jamaica, you know. Like Vibes Cartel work ethics. It just different, yo. And this is why me have to rate Vibes Cartel. You see me? Yo. John Star. Wanna tell me in the comment section, yeah? Cartel, yo, dog. Move up. Everybody look on Cartel career, not necessarily the situation where I'm in right now, but like him work ethics and copy him work ethics and put it in any career where there. Like, just copy them set of work ethics there. Whether you're a footballer, whether you're a dancer, whether you're a doctor, any profession you're in, copy Vibes Cartel work ethics, and I tell you, you are going to be the greatest in a year field. You see it? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, I'm out of here. Oh, tell me in the comment section if you like them type video here, where you see the whole visuals and me a reason we do know and stuff like that. Just let me know what you think. Alright, I'm gonna know.
All who say free Vibes Cartel, all who say world boss, me cut my back to the crowd. But when me turn on, who I see the phone light, who I see the light, and I say Cartel, which one come over here?
And if this is all we are,
Let me get you,
life will be good, yeah.